Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing a security camera that doesn't need Wi-Fi. Yup, this is the Xega 3G 4G cellular security camera, and it works anywhere with a cell signal. Let's check it out. All right, let's open this up. This camera is 4G SIM card compatible, which means you don't need Wi-Fi at all, which is perfect for areas without a stable internet connection. Also a 6,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, which is great. Also works indoors or outdoors, so you can use it for the inside or outside of your apartment or your house or your parking spot, wherever you want. Also, it has 2K video resolution, color night vision, two-way audio, PIR motion detection that alerts you to real movement, not just leaves blowing. All right, let's open this part. Okay, couple QR codes. Here's the camera itself. Let's take it out of here. Here we go. Look at this guy. Let's take it out of the plastic. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that lens and the glossy black finish looks beautiful. I love it. All right, let's get then it comes with a USB charging cable and the mounting accessories. So you got everything you need right in the package. If you want one for yourself, head to XegaTech.com or grab it on Amazon. Both links are below. And here's a bonus. Use code 25Vision15 at checkout to get 15% off. Solid deal on a super flexible security camera. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.